Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Ramboat 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and just type in Ramboat 2 and start your search. Once you find the Ramboat 2 game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Ramboat 2 game on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the game. And after opening the game, you can complete the basic tutorial levels in order to start enjoying the Ramboat 2 game and shoot through the hordes of enemies on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Ramboat 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.